What is up, CTP? It's your boy, it's Tanner. We are headed to Burnt Ridge out in Alaska. I got my bike in the back and I am ready to go. It's gonna be a nice hot day, but I am ready to ride. Got the MX sign. Must be going the right way. Here we go, Burnt Ridge. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're here. I was gonna ride in the intermediate pro class, but I didn't want to get too far ahead of myself. I haven't been on the bike that often, so I don't think I'm that good right now. So I'm back in the junior class. We'll see how the day goes though. It's summer now, so there's probably a lot of good guys out here. Don't know until we get out on the track, which is like 10 minutes from now. Alrighty guys, that's first practice done. It was an open practice. The bike held up good. It's super wet out though, so my back end's sliding all around. Unfortunately, the guy right next to me crashed, broke his collarbone, so he'll be going home. Praying for safe travels for him and a quick heal up. Bike held up for the first practice. My forks are leaking a bit. Hopefully that doesn't ruin my day, but we'll see. I didn't feel like it was overheating or anything. So I'm wondering, here's the start gate. I've actually never seen up here before. Uphill start into a left-hand corner, which is nice because at least you can be on the brake off the start. Looks pretty sick though. Took a bit of a tumble that last moto. Just testing the dirt. It tasted fine. A little dusty. The bike looks fine. It was just a little tumble. And I also cased the crap out of the triple right there. We'll have to see that on the Insta 360. Some plastic melted to my pipe, but I think that's about it. It's still ripping though. We're ripping. We'll see. Alright guys, we got about one more moto. The bike's still doing good. I'll let you know how it goes. Here's the footage. On the start mark. Woo! Yeah. What a way to finish the day. That last moto, I was flying. I don't know what I was on. Maybe because the track's rougher, that's what I'm used to. But I was having a great time out there. Hit the triple almost every lap, even though there's ruts on it. That's a big confidence boost for me. I think I lapped everyone. I think it's time I move up to intermediate. But at the same time, I only get good in this condition. At the beginning of the day when it's deep dirt and it's not hard packed, that's when I struggle, and that's when all the fast guys are here. So we'll see, we'll have to play it by ear. The bike held up great. Even had a guy say he might give me a new back tire or a new front tire or something. New chains. Just cooling down the car because it's toasted. Some water, I need to clean my face. But that was such a fun day.